Grand Rising, beautiful people. Thank you for being here with me at Miss Paper Plate Vegan channel. Today we're making banana blossom vegan fish. And so you want to take out the banana blossoms, rinse them off, find your bigger pieces and put them in a Ziploc bag. You want to add your dose granules to that Ziploc bag. A splash of this shrimp broil. Be careful, it is hot. Some onion powder. Sprinkle that into your bag. Then you want to add in some black pepper. You can use black pepper, white pepper, it's up to you. Then we adding in some garlic salt into our bag. And of course we're going to use our staple, which is some Dulse Seasoning. Add that into your bag. Mix that, let that marinate. Now we're going to make our egg and oat milk that I made the other day and make a buttermilk by adding in some apple cider vinegar to that mix. Our breading is going to be a Cajun crispy fish breading, Louisiana style. But you want to mix your wet mix, the buttermilk, real good. Check your flour with the breading mix to see if your oil is hot. Now we're going to take our banana blossoms that's been marinating and soak that in there. Get that nice and wet and covered in the buttermilk vegan mix. Then once that is nice and coated, we will go ahead and use our breading mix to cover our fish, vegan fish, and redo this all over again. Put it in the buttermilk batter and then bread it with the Cajun seasoning mix. Flip it over, make sure it's nice and coated, and just gently pat it all in. And then once that is done, you're going to go ahead and take it to the oil. Be careful placing it in the oil. Make sure your oil is nice and hot. You allow that to get crispy. And when it's nice and crispy, you will go ahead and flip that over. And once it's ready, you will go ahead and place it on your wire rack and let that drain off. You can eat yours like this with yellow grits, sauteed cabbage, paprika, and seasoning. Or you can have a fish sandwich, vegan fish sandwich. So remember, you're whole, you're healthy, and you're complete. I hope this helps.